What if I told you that the notes you are already taking from schools or college could actually make you money? Imagine turning your study notes into an extra $50, $100, or even a few $100s over time. Sounds crazy, but it's real. But here's the catch. Most people do it the wrong way and never earn a single dollar. So before you scroll away, hit the like button because today's video could completely change how you look at your notes. And trust me, one platform I am going to mention surprise almost everyone. Let's get started. Have you ever spent hours creating near study notes, summaries, flashcards, or revision guides? If you are like most students, those notes probably stay on your laptop or notebook forever. But what if someone else is willing to pay for them? Believe it or not, thousands of students buy study materials every single day because they want to save time, prepare for exams, or understand difficult subjects more easily. That's where these opportunities comes in. You are not getting paid for random notes. You are getting paid for creating something that helps other students learn faster. And that's a huge difference. Listen carefully because this is important. Selling notes is not about copying textbooks or uploading copyrighted content. You should only sell notes that you personally created in your own words. Original work is the key. If your notes are clear, organized, and actually helpful, they can continue earning money long after you have uploaded them. Now let's talk about some of the best platforms where people really sells note. The first one is Studoku. Spelling is Studocu. It's one of the biggest platforms for sharing study documents. Students upload lecture notes, summaries, practice questions, and study guides. Depending on the platform's policies and programs available in your region, contribution, many earn rewards or other benefits for high quality content. Another platform is Nexus Notes. It allows students to upload well-written notes and some contribution earn money when their notes are accepted or purchased. The quality of your work matters much more than the quality. You should also know about Docacity. It's a global study sharing community where students exchange educational materials. Some opportunities for earning depend on the platform's correct programs, so always read the official guidelines before uploading. Here are some things that most people don't know. Don't always need to be a college student. If you have created useful study guides, language learning notes, certification summaries, or educational resource that people genuinely need, there may be a market for them. The secret is solving a real problem. Let's imagine a realistic example. Suppose you create a complete biology exam study guide that helps students prepare quickly. You uploaded it to a platform where it sells for $5. If 20 people buy it over time, that's $100 from one document. Create 20 useful student guides over several months and your earnings can grow steadily. Of course, realistic results vary and there are no guarantees, but that's how digital products can keep working after you have finished creating them. Now here's the biggest mistake beginners make. They uploaded messy notes with blurry photos, poor materials, and missing informations. Then they wonder why nobody downloads them. If you want better results, make your notes clean, easy to read, well organized, and free of spelling mistakes. Add clear headlines, bullet points, and simple explanations. Think about what you would want if you are buying study notes. Another important tip is choosing subject with demand. Course that many people, students, even wonder peoples that often have more potential buyers than highly specialized topics. Subjects like biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, economics, business, physically, English, computer science, and even another more large student audience. Again, quality always matters more than simply picking a popular subject. This is important, so don't miss it. Never upload copyrighted textbooks, teacher handouts that you are not allowed to share, or someone else's work. Many platforms remove copyright content and you could lose your account. Build your reputation by creating original, valuable material. You can also increase your chance of success by updating older notes. Maybe you created notes last semester. Improve the formatting, fix mistakes, add better explanation, and upload a polished version. Sometimes a small improvement makes a huge difference. Another smart idea is creating study bundles. Instead of selling one chapter, combine multiple chapters into a complete exam preparation guide. Buyers often prefer compensable resource because they save time. Remember, selling notes is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Some people earn only a few dollars while others each much more after consistency creating high-quality resource. The biggest advantage is that your work can continue helping students even after you have finished writing it. So if you are already spending hours talking notes, why not give them a chance to earn some things back? Even if you first upload does not make money immediately, you will learn what students want and improve over time. Every successful digital creator starts with one upload. Before I end this video, I want to hear from you. Have you ever thought about selling your notes online, or have you already tried it? Let me know in the comments because I'd love to hear your experience. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss future videos about practical ways to make money online. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.